Coming
Okay, the
up
cake is done,
on
you guys.
Debo with the
Honey
vlog.
bun cake. I'm trying not to get copyrighted because my sister keep playing this. Okay, I finished. Now these about to go in the oven, 330 degrees. Like I said, I already preheated, parchment paper underneath. And we're gonna see how these turn out together. Okay, you guys, it is now 1:16 in the afternoon, and I'm still out shopping. And yes, I have my sunroof open. You probably didn't think my sunroof worked, but yes, it works. I'm not gonna buy a car, and the sunroof does not work. We got ribs. Sharon grilled some ribs, baby back ribs, right?
Yeah, and flat.
Oh, no. Okay, it's New Year's Eve, and you already know we got the greens cooking with smoked meat. Gotta have that smoked meat. You gotta. As you see, 10:55 basically. I got the oven preheating. I'm about to put a cake in there. Black eyed peas in it. I don't care for black eyed peas as much, but this on time we usually have black eyed peas. I'm glad it is because I don't really care for black eyed peas like that, but I eat them. And yeah, I got my cake. Got my cake going over here, as you know. I'm going to just set it down and show you what to do. Got this stand from Dollar General doing the sale they had on it. But let me show you what to do. I done set it down. Now let's turn it on. I like how it lights up.
Meanwhile.
Okay, preheat your oven to 330 degrees or wherever your cookie packet says. And line your cookie sheet with parchment paper. Always do that when you make cookies, especially from scratch. You see I got my graham cracker pieces cut up and then they spots it needs to be at. Next thing I'm going to add is the marshmallows. I feel like I need to cut them down, but we'll see how they turn out. Got my marshmallows. Try to get them open. That might be too big. I might need to cut those down. Yeah, let me do that. Okay, so I'm just cutting the marshmallows up because I know that's going to be too much if I didn't just like that. I cut them in half. And then to it, just to cut them in half. Get a marshmallow, turn it sideways, and cut it in half. Would you guys try this recipe though? Comment down below. We're going to see how this turned out together. This will be my first time making it. Like I said, I had an idea. I made my idea in reality and made it. This is something good for the winter time. I'm gonna cook it like that. Some in the winter time. You can have some hot cocoa with this. I don't like hot cocoa. I rather have iced coffee. I really don't like hot drinks at all. Only thing I can drink hot is probably coffee. But you gotta have some cream in it. But yeah. Like that. Did it. Now move on to our chocolates. So y'all can see. I'm gonna move on to our chocolate. I'm trying to make it else, y'all. I got some Hershey's candy. You can use milk chocolate if you want to. Or chocolate chips, I mean. One piece per cookie. So you shouldn't have to go through a whole pack of Hershey's candy. Because you get 4 squares per Hershey bar. Ooh. Like I said, it's New Year's Eve. What are you guys doing for New Year's Eve? What are your New Year's resolutions? What's all that? Comment down below. Well, what are we leaving behind? What are we bringing in? What are some unusual traditions that your family might have that others might not? Just comment down below. I hope I'm doing this right. I hope this turned out like the way I want it to. But yeah, let's do it. So it's graham cracker layer, marshmallow, and then the Hershey's. I didn't use 2 bars so far. Let's move on to the next one. I probably used 3, let me see, 4 bars in total. You're gonna see. I tried to add music because every time I add the slightest bit of music that's not even copyright at all, it gets copyrighted. Yeah, I'm gonna need 1 more bar. I thought so. One more bar. It is. Did I put that in here? This might have been if I did. Okay, one more piece. Then we're going to the chocolate chip cookie dough. Let's move on to the cookie dough. I like mold it, I guess. And just throw it on top. You don't have to be so much, just throw it on top. It's probably gonna melt down to the cookie anyway. Throw it on top like that. We're gonna see. Just an experiment. Might work, might not. We're gonna see together. I don't want to use too much cookie dough because I did not. But hey, throw it on top. Kind of like mush it down like a cone shape. I hope this turns out right. I really hope this turns out right. Well, I'm gonna speed the video up for the sake of time. Okay, I finished. Now these about to go in the oven, 330 degrees. Like I said, I already preheated, parchment paper underneath. And we're gonna see how these turn out together. It's the first time for everything, right? This is my first time making these, so we're gonna see. Before they go in the oven. Okay, you guys, I thought I was recording by my camera. It's on my storage pool, but let's get another pull at it. You see that right there? Do you see that right there? And break it again. You see all that goodness? Yeah, s'mores cookies made by me.
Eventually.
Okay, you guys, I need you to tell me, what is your New Year's resolution? What is something that you want to accomplish for the next year? So you can comment down below. So at the end of 2025, we can see if you actually accomplished that goal by commenting on that video for 2026. So comment down below now, what is your New Year's resolution? What is something you want to accomplish? What's something that you know you're going to accomplish that is a small task? There is. And also, what did you do today, New Year's Eve? Did you cook anything? Did you cook the traditional black eyed peas and collard greens and all that good stuff? Did you try something new? Make your New Year's Eve a new tradition in your family? Just comment down below. Like I said, I got a cake in the oven. I've done this cake so many times. I know I know it in my sleep. I can do that recipe in my sleep. If you want to see recipes of the cake I'm doing, which is my honey bun cake, but I'm putting it in a pound cake. What is it called? A bundt dish this time. But like I said, I know that recipe like the back of my hand. And if you want to know that recipe, just go look at my previous holiday videos. I made the recipe so many times, so many altercations to the recipe. I made a sweet potato one, and I made the regular one. And it's a hit every time I make it, so like I said. And also make sure you like the video, comment down below. Like I said, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post. And thank you for watching. It is New Year's Eve. We have about, it's 11:37 right now. We have about like what, I want to say 18 more minutes, 17, until it's New Year's Day. Are you guys sleeping in? Also comment down below. Are you sleeping in? Or are you waking up at a certain time? Are y'all doing big dishes? That's the question. But yeah, keep watching. There'll be more New Year's. I'm trying to get the countdown, so let's see if I actually get the countdown. I might be busy doing something at the time, but I'm gonna try to get the countdown. I forgot to tell you guys what my New Year's resolution is. Hopefully next year in 2025, I'm gonna have a house. That's my big goal because I'm not doing no more apartments. If you've seen one of my previous vlogs, I'm not getting another apartment. That's a no-no for me, a big no-no. There's too much noise, too much chaos, and not enough fixing. So that's my New Year's resolution. If you see me get a house, you knew that was my New Year's resolution, and I accomplished that. So subscribe to my channel to see if I actually get this house. I'm working hard for it now. But yeah, let's see. I'm gonna pray.
Later.
Okay, you guys, it's 1 minute until New Year's Day, Central Standard Time. We all don't know.
They behind.
It did pound, man.
They behind.
Oh, 53 seconds. 52. Mama sitting over in that chair, as per usual.
They're behind. They got 45 seconds.
Here we go. Which people are you watching? Nashville or who you watching? Comment down below. Who you watching? Sorry for all that shouting in the basement. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. I'm gonna get some chips. Brianna, soak it in, Brianna. Copyright. Mom got that drink up in her hand now. What's going on? What's all this noise? Try you singing or shouting? Okay, the cake is done, you guys. Honey bun cake. I'm trying not to get copyrighted because my sister keep playing Miss. But yeah. This is what it looks like. Come get a slice. Hot and ready. Fresh out the oven.
Eventually.
So I'm in the store called Fresh Value where like everything is 10%. You pay everything and you get paid 10% more at checkout. It's called Fresh Value and they have like a sale. They have more sales than any other store around me and they just got here, so make it make sense. This is what I got in my buggy. I got chicken tenders, pork chops, bacon, baby back ribs, cookies, breaded chicken tenders. Was a steak on sale? No, it's not. $80. Is this cheap? I mean, I'm here and I don't know if it's $4.49 a pound for a sirloin tip roast is cheap. It is. If it is, comment down below. I don't know. I might get 2 of those and one pack is $10. Not sure. I'm about to call my mom and ask her. I don't know about that type of stuff. Pork chop is $1.49 a pound. They got Boston, but $7.58, $1.59 a pound. Is that cheap? Chicken tenders, $2.49. Whole chicken, $1.29 a pound. So this is what, $5.98. Too bloody, and now my hand got blood on it. They got an 8-piece chicken for $1.99. Mix. Oh, how that is? $6.12, ain't too bad. Is that better than Food Giants? Is that better than Food Giants? 8-piece. I don't know. Okay, you guys, it is now 1:16 in the afternoon and I'm still out shopping. And yes, I have my sunroof open. You probably didn't think my sunroof worked, but yes, it works. I'm not gonna buy a car and the sunroof does not work, or it works and I don't use it. That's the purpose of getting a car with a sunroof. I'm not gonna ask nobody about that. Because I know some people that buy the car for a sunroof and never uses the sunroof. But yeah, and I just came out of Sun Fresh. Some of you might know that Sunflower, and I spent $30 up in there. I didn't expect to spend that much just by stepping out on New Year's Day, but I guess that's what, $140 in total from both stores. That's all on groceries and house necessities like toilet tissue and all that junk. But yeah, I'm on my way back to the house. My brother, this your boy Trey Boy, or Trey Boy 04 or something like that, is grilling. Ooh, it's raggedy rolls. It's grilling, so we're gonna see what he doing on the grill. I see he got the smoke out too, so we're gonna see how this meat and stuff looking and tasting. We got black eyed peas on, collard greens on. I guess I gotta make cornbread when I get back to the house. I know my dad probably nowhere to be seen until the food be ready. That's usually how it is. You go out there on the farm and stay out there all day long, staying straight ahead until the food get ready. Then you come back in. But yeah, did y'all got? I can't even speak. I'm going to close my sunroof because it's too much wind. gaming system, electronics, comment down below if you did. Also subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Click that notification bell to be notified whenever I post, and simply just like the video. Watch it all the way through and like the video. I have useful tips and tricks throughout my video. If you don't watch it all the way through, you're not going to see the useful tips and tricks. So yeah, let's get back to this house and see what's going on at this house. Okay, the New Year's menu consists of candied yams the regular way, not the our family way, but yeah. Black-eyed peas. Let's make that a spoon. I'll show you guys these black-eyed peas. Yeah, I got one. Get you one of these. They got the holes on the side. Black-eyed pea with that smoked meat in it. You see that? Mama did these last night. We continued them this morning. Next thing we got is some greens over here. These are collards. We had mustards and turnips for Christmas, so we got collards today. I don't know. We ain't got no spoon for them. Yeah, it's the collards. It got some smoke in it, meat in it as well. You can see.
Not my pie.
We got Mama, she did her Philadelphia cream cheese pie. Haven't had hers in years, so we're gonna see how this goes. She just put the whipped topping on top. Is whipped topping optional, or you can put something else?
Some folks don't put nothing on it.
Oh.
I just put whipped cream on. Some folks put strawberries or cherries on top.
Oh.
I just put whipped cream on.
Okay. See, she got the infamous blouse on, you guys. Okay, it's 3:21 in the afternoon. This is the food. You want us how to make macaroni and cheese. We got cornbread. I made that, as you can see. Buttery golden top. Black-eyed peas. Once again, I'll give you a full run around. The candy yams. What's the spoon? Okay, this spoon for the candy yams. Okay, we're back. This is the candy yams. As y'all can see. Greens. We got ribs. Sharon grilled some ribs. Baby back rib, right?
Yeah, and slab.
On a slab of rib.
Slab rib.
We got grape crushed soda put in the fridge at the last minute. I ain't gonna say no names. Okay, this is the plate. Macaroni and cheese, black-eyed peas, collard greens, yams, grilled ribs, baby back, cornbread, and a grape crushed soda.
Inside the job, he be like, look, let me set this on fire like I did that trash can.
He said stuff like that.
Like, look at that.